Hello, hello. Let's pick some cards today and see what kind of messages pop out. Take in what resonates and leave out the rest. Let your creativity take you between nothing and everything. Your heart knows the way. I see my parents as tiny children who need love. I have compassion for my parents' childhoods. I now know that I chose them because they were perfect for what I had to learn. I forgive them and set them free. And I set myself free. And what else? "33, Blueprint for 5D Humanity." Remember your gifts and powers. And the last card today before we go to our little messages. Electrons, building blocks of the universe. Alrighty. And today's little quotes. Get lost in what you love. Yes, yes, yes. The way you consistently treat, think, and talk about others is your vibration. Things that you do have, you have the ability to try again. You have the present moment. You have a resilient spirit. You have reasons to be proud of yourself. Yes, yes, yes. It's not your job to make other people see your worth. It's your job to know it and act accordingly. Your emotions make you human. Even the unpleasant ones have a purpose. Don't lock them away. If you ignore them, they get louder and angrier. And the last one today. It's okay to live a life most people don't understand. All right. Thanks for stopping by. Adios. See you in a couple days.